Alright now. Hey, welcome back to our channel. It's Ellison back. What a voiceover. We're doing this Shein haul / review / get ready with me. I'm really gonna be trying on a few outfits, but yeah, stay tuned, like, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Here we go. So we have this cute pinkish purplish dress. In all reality, it was a little small. I should have got a large in this, but I chose a medium. I got these shoes. These will be my summer all day everyday sandals. I'm not gonna lie, I love them. They're comfy. The shirt ran in the plus section, and then you see what it looks like on me. This was a 1 extra large. Like, excuse me, it's not given extra large, but I know, forgive me for the 2 different blacks. I'm not good at matching, but I honestly thought this outfit was it. One of my top favorite outfits, for real, for real. I was a little feeling myself. Okay. Right, that's me, shy, oddball me. But, yep. I'm not the type to be playing dress up, so this is very new for me. Forgive me for my weirdness throughout this video. But yep, the outfit was definitely giving. The shoes, don't get me started on the shoes, definitely giving. They fit like a glove with an extra, my bad you guys, but them shoes fit like a glove with just the right amount of space in it, and I feel like they went with every outfit. Mind you, this outfit was definitely giving. One of my top favorite. Cotton candy, yes. OMG, sunglasses, tennis shoes, all that with this dress. It just makes so much sense. Like, go ahead. Baby girl, butterfly necklace. Baby girl necklace did not make it in the video. I wasn't trying to put on too much jewelry because that's just not how I am. Stepping outside my comfort box is this video right here. I do not dress like this. I am a joggers, hoodie type of girl. So yeah, believe it or not, this is new for me. But I'm not mad with my selection at all. Like, I did my thing picking out these outfits. Like and comment, share, and subscribe. What you guys think of the outfits and all that. But here we go with these anklet bracelets, or yeah, those. I only had put on one for the video. All of them did come, but I just feel like, yeah, I didn't have time to put all that jewelry on. But this shirt and this skirt, definitely a pair match made in heaven. Like, it's giving business, professional, formal, and review. Everybody needs one of these outfits just to have, like, period. Honest opinion, shirt should have came in a large. If I got it in a medium, I will have the sizes like at the end of the video. But yeah, forgive me the way I'm sounding, guys. I'm a little annoyed. This is probably like my 100th time trying to do this voiceover. But yep, this right here, last outfit wasn't casual. This right here is my favorite casual outfit I have got from Shein. Like, come on now, that dress and then this cardigan. Got this in a size large, and it fits just how it's fitting in that picture from Shein. I had got some clips and this headband. Clips was too much, so we're just gonna go with this headband, throw our hair in a ponytail. Yeah, why not? Like, this outfit was definitely giving it for me. This is like me. This is my style. Like, yes, this is me and my husband's favorite. This dress right here, it goes so well with my skin tone. I cannot complain about this at all. And I had got this cute little crop top to go over it, just to make sure everything's not showing. Got that in a size large as well. And I thought this outfit was cute, how it went with the dress, how the dress and the crop top went with the sandals. Like I said, I had got the sandals and the shoes to really go along with all the outfits, so it did its thing on that part. I ain't even gonna lie. Like I said, I can't complain.
Hold on, stay right there.
If you guys have any thoughts on the outfits, please just drop them down below. We appreciate it. But next we have one of these. This dress right here was one of my least favorites, and I couldn't possibly tell you why. It's just not giving. Like, I'm trying to get away from solid black because that's all I grew up wearing. And for some reason, it's just not it for me. It's cute and it goes with the sandals, but it's not giving shy. You know what I mean? But yep, here's this dress. Next, we're gonna have our red approach dress coming up next. Ain't she cute? Yes, that red though is everything. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I should have worn the tennis shoes with this dress. I think the shoes should have went better with the dress. I don't know what I was thinking. I was rushing, obviously, to put these things on. So yeah, I know I model terribly. I don't do this every day. But one without the jacket, yep, it looks way better without the jacket. I ain't even gonna lie. What was I doing? I honestly fell in love with the cardigan though. I couldn't leave it off. But it definitely, a lot of the dresses looked better without it. Cute. Last but not least, save the best for last. Oot, newspaper print bodycon dress. Take me out to dinner. Yes. OMG. This is definitely top fave. I was saying this is the top right here, top favorite #1 selection from the Shein cart. Honestly, like, how could you not fall in love with this dress? It's given, mind you, Shein, the purse is from Shein, and the glasses is from Temu. I done fell in love and lost myself in a daze, zoned out on the dress. But glasses from Temu, I will be dropping my Temu link description. I will be dropping the Temu link in the description. Please click and sign up for Temu if you guys are interested in how I got my free gifts from Temu. Comment down below. But yeah, we had to save the best for last. I really did my thing. Comment if you guys thought I runwayed a little weird. I honestly couldn't care less. But like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, I want to hear. I would like to hear everybody's opinions on our videos. We love criticism. If you feel like we could have did something better, added something different, just be honest and let us know. We gladly take the advice. But yeah, Shy Ellison on the beat. Okay. I'll be showing you guys some pictures that didn't make it in the first half of the video. On my dresses and stuff that I had got, and then I'm gonna show you guys everything that I didn't make it to the video and all the sizes. Here's some of the things that didn't make it in the video as well. I had got those shoes for my husband. I had got this cute bonnet. Like, OMG, how could you not like this bonnet? Stop it. Did not ask why I got the ski mask. That was impulsive. Upgrade from my last ring. OMG. Gotta have you some socks every now and then. But yeah, here's some of the stuff. Dropping down the sizes to help everybody shop better online. guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Don't forget to check out our other videos as well. We do it all over here.
Started doing these types of treatments and stuff like that, and I just thought this was like one of the best homemade, natural routine. Because a lot of people get these